what I say in public. And I am ready to face the consequences. If I go to prison, so be it. Yan talaga ang buhay ko. Sabihin ng Panginoong Diyos, sige, mag-presidente ka, linisin mo ang bayan mo sa droga, tapos magpakulong ka. Pero yung mga hinihingi mo na may kasama ka, di, mamili ka na lang. Yan ang Muslim mo dyan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your time, Mr. President. Thank you so much, Malacanang Press Corps. Thank you for your time.
Salamat ha. Forget my jokes. I'm one guy na hindi talaga, kaya sabi ko, I never graduated. I'm honest to admit it. I never graduated to being a statesman president. Ang style ko talaga is, ang ugali ko is pang mayor ko ito.